Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can remove the active Windows watermark in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So if you want to remove the active Windows watermark, then please do finish watching this whole video till the very end because we will be having a very simple solution in a single step. So please open the command prompt, or please open the run command first. So you can do that simply by making a right click here in the Windows icon and select the run option there, or you can just go to your keyboard and then press the Windows R key altogether, and then you will just be getting the same window. So here we need to go with the registry editor, so please type regedit and then you will be getting this kind of window. So just please proceed first with the yes button under the user account control window. So once you're already here in the registry editor, we will just be, let me just quickly minimize everything from here. So you will just be going to the H key local machine. We need to expand this one. Once already expanded, we need to go to the system option, proceed with current control set, and then we need to go with services. So once you're already in the services option, all you need to do is just to modify the SVSVC. So we need to look for that. Find SVSVC. Just scroll down. And then we will now be going to the S section. Look for SVSVC. Okay. So found it. So here, once you have found the SVSVC option, all you need to do is just to make a right click on that and then click on the first go to the right section or right panel here and then click on the start button, make a right click on that and then select the modify option and then go with the value data. So change the value data to 4, and then once you have done that, you need to make sure that the base is set to hexadecimal and then click on OK. And then once you have done that, just close this window and make a quick restart with your device. To save the changes, close the registry editor and restart your device, apply and restart. So the watermark should now be removed after doing that. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.